Minasan, konnichiwa. Kaycee desu. This is how to read the date in Japanese. Hello everyone, this is Kaycee, and for today's video, we will learn how to ask and say the date in Japanese. So, on our previous topic, we've learned how to say the days of the week. So, yung Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, until Sunday, naaral na natin yun. Alam na natin kung ano yun in Japanese. But for today, we will learn yung month, how to say the month, and how to say the days of the month. So, medyo maiiba kasi or medyo kakaiba yung days of the months eh. So, ayun. Ready na ba kayo? Let's start!
First, let's talk about how to say the month in Japanese. And our formula would be number plus katsu. Katsu means moon. And this is the kanji character for it. Kindly take note of this. For January, it is ichigatsu. Ichigatsu. February, it is nigatsu. Nigatsu. And then March is sangatsu. Sangatsu. For April, it is shigatsu. Shigatsu. May, it is gogatsu. Gogatsu. And then June is rokugatsu. Rokugatsu. For July, it is shichigatsu. Shichigatsu. August, it is hachigatsu. Hachigatsu. And then September is kugatsu. Kugatsu. For October, it is jugatsu. Jugatsu. November, it is juichigatsu. Juichigatsu. And then December is junigatsu. Junigatsu. However, we need to pay attention to April, which in Japanese, as we say earlier, is shigatsu. You might want to say yongatsu because that's how we say it in numbers, right? But they usually say shigatsu for April. However, in some rare cases, they might use yongatsu to avoid confusion with July, which is shichigatsu. But remember, this is just in some rare cases. And then, as mentioned, we also need to pay attention to July, which in Japanese is shichigatsu. But just like in April, you might want to say nanagatsu for this month because another way to say 7 in number is nana. But they usually say shichigatsu to mean July. But again, in some rare case, they might use nanagatsu to avoid confusion with April, which is shigatsu. And also for September, it is kugatsu and not kyugatsu. Just like how we say 9 o'clock, kuji and not kyuji. Remember? If you want to ask, what month is it? In Japanese, we say nangatsu desu ka? Nangatsu desu ka? Nan means what, which comes from the word nani. And then gatsu means month as mentioned earlier. Des is a be verb. And then lastly, we have ka, which is added to form a question. Moving on, we'll talk about how to say the days of the month in Japanese. First is Tsuitachi. Di masyadong related sa number, no? But please try to remember this kahit medyo weird kung paano sabihin ito in Japanese. So, January 1st, in Japanese, we say Ichigatsu Tsuitachi. Ichigatsu Tsuitachi. January 1st. Second is Futsuka. Futsuka. So, if you want to say February 2nd, in Japanese, it is Nigatsu Futsuka. Nigatsu Futsuka. Third, it is Mikka. Mikka. So if you want to say March 3rd, it is Sangatsu Mikka. Sangatsu Mikka. Fourth, it is Yokka. Yokka. Fifth, it is Itsuka. Itsuka. Sixth, it is Muika. Muika. And then seventh, it is Nanoka. Nanoka. Eighth, it is Yoka. Yoka. Ninth, it is Kokonoka. Kokonoka. And then 10th, it is Toka. Toka. Kindly take note that there's a difference between the 4th, which is Yoka, and then the 8th, which is Yoka. So 4th is Yoka, and then 8th, Yoka. So for 11th, we will say 11 nichi. 11 nichi. And then 12th, 12 nichi. 12 nichi. 13th, 13 nichi. 13 nichi. And then 14th, 14. 14. 15th, 15 nichi. 15 nichi. 16th, 16 nichi. 16 nichi. 17th, 17 nichi. 17 nichi. 18th, 18 nichi. 18 nichi. And then 19th, 19 nichi. 19 nichi. And then 20, this is a bit different. We will say Hatsuka. Hatsuka. 21st, it is 21 nichi. 21 nichi. 22nd, it is 22 nichi. 22 nichi. 23rd, 23 nichi. 23 nichi. And then 24th, 24. 24. 25th, 25 nichi. 25 nichi. 26th, 26 nichi. 26 nichi. 27th, 27 nichi. 27 nichi. 28th, 28 nichi. 28 nichi. 29th, 29 nichi. 29 nichi. And then 30, 30 nichi. 30 nichi. And then lastly, the 31st is 31日 31日. If you want to ask, what day is it? In Japanese, we say, Nan nichi desu ka? Nan nichi desu ka? Again, nan means what, which comes from the word nani. And then nichi means day. Des is a be verb, and then ka is added to form a question. Please see the following common terms for your reference. Kyo means today. Kino means yesterday. Ashita means tomorrow. Konshu means this week. Senshu means last week. And then Raishu means next week.
That's it, guys! So, meron na naman tayong bagong learnings for today. Nakakatuwa, no, na nadadagdagan yung mga knowledge natin sa Japanese language. And sana ma-apply nyo to, itong mga na-discuss natin today. And masagot nyo ang tanong ko na, Kyo wa nangatsu nanichi desu ka? Thank you so much for watching. And please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. And you can share din if you want. Or kaya naman, pwede rin kayong mag-leave ng comment sa baba. And please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Good luck! Ganbatte kudasai! Arigatou Gozaimasu! Bye-bye! Jane!